Stop telling everyone your plans. Do you want to know the real reason you haven't succeeded yet? It's because you are celebrating the victory before you've even started the work. You are wasting the precious energy needed to make your dreams a reality by broadcasting them on social media or bragging about them in casual conversations. This video is going to completely change the trajectory of your life for 2026. If you want to separate yourself from the crowd and build your own empire, the next few minutes are going to be the most important moments of your life. Stop running. It's time to face the truth. Let me ask you a question that might sting a little. How much energy have you wasted trying to prove your worth to people who don't give a damn about you? Think about it deeply. How many times have you picked up your phone to curate the perfect post, or sat at a table announcing your grand plans, just begging for a little support? Were you chasing that cheap dopamine hit? That temporary high that gives you the false sensation of success before you've even started working. We live in a culture that screams at you to broadcast your life. It tells you to share your wins, your breakfast, your grind. But let me hit you with the harsh truth nobody wants to admit. Most people talk about the work because they are terrified to actually do the work. They announce their moves early because the applause feels like an accomplishment. But remember this, applause is not success, it's a drug. Every time you seek validation for a dream you haven't built yet, you are leaking the very energy you needed to build it. There is a psychology behind this failure. When you tell everyone, I'm starting a business in 2026, I'm losing 30 pounds, or I'm writing that book, your brain releases a chemical reward. It tricks you. It gives you the satisfaction of success without the sweat or sacrifice. You feel productive, but in reality, you haven't moved an inch. You're standing still, intoxicated by the fantasy, while the real work remains buried in the dark. That is exactly why you are stuck. That is why when the lights go out, you feel empty, because you sold your potential in exchange for attention. But 2026 demands something different from you. If you truly want to change your life, not just a superficial paint job, but a transformation from the inside out, you need to master the art of disappearing. You need to embrace the solitude. You need to understand that the most powerful move you can make is the one nobody sees. Real power doesn't scream. It doesn't beg for attention. Think about a seed in the dirt. When it cracks open, does it make a sound? Does an oak tree demand an audience while it spreads its roots underground? No, it grows in silence. It anchors itself deep in the darkness so that when the storm comes, and the storm will come, it can stand tall. You are like that seed, but you keep digging yourself up to check your growth. You expose your fragile roots to the scorching sun of public opinion before they are established. And then you wonder why you wither away. Stop giving everyone front row access to your life before the show is ready. To be honest, most people around you lack the capacity to comprehend your vision. When you present a massive dream to small-minded people, they don't see your potential. They only see their own limitations. They'll tell you to be realistic. They'll say it's too risky. They'll plant seeds of doubt in your garden because your growth makes them uncomfortable. Your forward motion reminds them of their stagnation. They want to pull you down, not out of hate, but because your rise highlights their fall. So the first rule of 2026 is simple but ruthless. Shut your mouth. Stop explaining yourself. Stop justifying why you're alive or what you're doing. You owe no one an apology for your evolution. You don't need to report where you're going or how you're getting there. This journey is yours alone. Those long nights when your body is exhausted but your soul is hungry for the destination, those are yours. Every stumble that brings you to your knees, that is yours. When you move in silence, you become unstoppable. People fear what they can't see, and they respect what they can't predict. In a world where everyone vomits their every thought onto the internet, the person who holds their cards close controls the game. Silence isn't weakness, it's a tactic. It is a weapon. Silence prevents emotional reactions, but more importantly, it forces you to face yourself. And that's what terrifies you, isn't it? Being alone. We fill our lives with noise, podcasts, music, endless scrolling, gossip. Because if we turn it all off, we might have to face the person in the mirror. For many of you, that person is a stranger, or someone you don't even like. You've lost your true self in the crowd of personas you created for the world. But if you want to win in 2026, you have to stop running. You need to look in the mirror and say, I am going to fix this. Not for them, but for me. How can you trust yourself to build an empire when you can't even keep a promise to get out of bed when the alarm rings? You must sacrifice your old self to give birth to the new one. This is the ancient Stoic art of self-mastery. The masters taught that we are not disturbed by external events, but by our view of them. We suffer because we attach our happiness to things out of our control, like what people think. But the secret is this: the only thing you control is you, your judgment, your actions, and your character. Imagine if you took all that energy you wasted on people's opinions and poured it into building your foundation. Guard your focus. 2026 will ask you, are you ready? Everyone wants the money, the freedom, the love, but do you have the strength to carry that weight? Success will crush you if you don't have the mental muscle to hold it. And that muscle is built through adversity. You cannot have a great life without a season of great struggle. I know you're looking for a shortcut, but the easy path always leads to a hard life. The hard path, discipline, silence, focus, leads to freedom. You have to choose your hard. Being broke is hard. Becoming wealthy is hard. Choose one. Being lazy is hard. Going to the gym is hard. Choose one. Every path has a struggle, but the struggle of self-control is the only one that liberates you. Remember, a beautiful photograph must be processed in a dark room before it can be seen. If you bring it into the light too soon, the image is ruined. You are in that dark room right now. You might feel lonely, like life is burying you, but shift your perspective. You haven't been buried, you've been planted. This isolation isn't abandonment, it's protection. Nature is isolating you so you can hear your own voice. Don't run from the silence. That's where the answers are. A wise man is known by his silence. When you are quiet, you can see the chess moves on the board. Silence allows you to read intentions and spot weaknesses. So, how do we enter 2026 with this new power? First, kill your addiction to tomorrow. Tomorrow is a liar. It is the graveyard of dreams. Don't say, I'll start Monday. Start now. To delay is to train yourself to lose. Second, embrace boredom. Real life isn't a movie montage. It's doing the same boring reps over and over until they turn into excellence. Third, learn to detach. If someone insults you, don't react. You are not a puppet. Stay calm and stay on mission. In 2026, put on your blinders like a racehorse. Cut out the news, the gossip, the drama. If it doesn't make you stronger, it's poison. Be ruthless with your time. Time is the only asset you can never get back. Winners make time, losers make excuses. Make a pact with yourself, a pact of silence and focus. You are going to disappear for a year to build your purpose. When you want to quit, remember that you chose the path of a warrior. If they don't believe in you, good. Use their doubt as fuel. But don't waste time proving them wrong. Just build something so big that it speaks for itself. 2026 will not be just another year. It will be the year you meet the best version of yourself. But it starts now. Decide that you will step away from the noise. The world will be loud, you stay quiet. The world will be confused, you stay focused. Walk in silence and let your success make the noise. Build yourself in the dark and the world will reward you in the light. Are you ready to walk this path of silence? If the answer is yes, make a promise to yourself right now. Go to the comments and type, I am ready. This isn't just a comment, it is your first oath for 2026. And if this video lit a fire inside you, hit the like button and share this with the one friend who needs to hear this message. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more powerful content. We aren't here to gather a crowd, we are here to build an army of warriors. I'll see you at the top. Thank you.